Okay, here's the Bobcat Toolcat with the brine sprayer. Walk around this thing. You got the broom on here. It's bi-directional, so it'll sweep backwards as well as forwards. The quick attach is manual on it. Here's your connections. You put these oversized tires on it, so you do need to be careful when you're turning. Tires will actually rub right here when you turn all the way. Either way, then you can hear it inside of it when that happens. So you just got to come back about a quarter turn. This that's your safety, is this arm rest. Let the glow plugs run. Then if this light is flashing, this forward reverse, that means it got left in gear and it won't start until you go into neutral. Okay, start it up. There's your HVAC controls. Here's your beacon. We want the beacon on all the time whenever we're driving. This is our boom for running our implement. Right here is auxiliary hydraulics. Press that, and now on the front of this controller right here, if you squeeze the trigger, now our broom is brooming in the forward direction. And then with the implement running, if you press this side to side button right here, that's how we make our implement go side to side, whichever way you want to go. It goes pretty slow, but it does move on its own, so that's good. With the snowblower attachment, the up and down does your chute up and down. Other than that, it's pretty much identical. If you squeeze the trigger, now the broom's going to stop, and then if you run this toggle switch, that's how you make it go forward or backwards. It doesn't spin quite as fast backwards, but you can back drag away from stuff with it. Okay, this is a 4-wheel steer machine. So you see these lights right here. See, we got one light on. That lets us know that our back wheels are straight. By flipping that switch, that puts us in regular like car mode where just the front wheels are steering. And then to go back to 4-wheel steer, you have to turn the steering wheel until both lights light up, and then when both lights are lit up, you can go into 4-wheel steer mode, and that increases your turning radius greatly, but you don't want to go running down the road 20 miles an hour. In 4-wheel steer, it's just a little bit hairy. We got lights here, windshield wiper here, and then we got our work lights for behind us are right there. And then down here is our brine pump for our brine sprayer. Kind of get out and show you that quick. We got our main shut-off valve right here, pump, and then this is for each of our spray bars. We're just gonna have use both spray bars at the same time, then we get the right flow. So we're gonna have both of these open. And then it's as simple as when you go run down the road, you flip this. When you flip it forward, it lights up green. That lets you know that your pump's running and the right speed to spraying brine is about 6 miles an hour on here. So just make sure when you stop that you turn off your pump so that we don't leave a puddle somewhere. But about 6 miles an hour is the right speed to be spraying brine at. And then beyond that, right over here, when you click this in, this turns on and off rabbit mode. So we're pretty much going to be in rabbit mode all the time. The machine does go about 20 miles an hour with these big snow tires on it. So it's plenty fast. You got cruise control here if you had a real long stretch somewhere. But for the most part, you're probably not going to be using cruise control. So yeah, that's pretty much everything on this Bobcat Toolcat. Throttle's right here. So, and then you shift like a car.